Hello everyone. Let's discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 433, which is maximum and minimum sums of at most size k subsequences. What is the problem? So we are given an integer array norms and a positive integer k. We have to return the sum of the maximum and minimum elements of all the subsequence of norm with at most k elements. So let's take one example: 1, 2, 3. Okay, and k equals to 2. So our array is 1, 2, 3, and k equals to 2. That means we have to return sum of minimum and maximum elements of all subarrays of size less than equals to 2. So the subarrays are 1, 2, 3. These are linked on subarrays, and linked to subarrays are nothing but 1, 2, and 2, 3. So sub This is subsequence, I think. Yeah. Sum of at most is subsequence. So there is another subsequence of 1, 3. So minimum and maximum element of this subsequence is 1, 1. For this is 2, 2, and for this is 3, 3. Okay. For this, the minimum and maximum are 1, 2. This is for 2, 3, and this is 1, 3. So sum is 4, 5, 9, 12, 18, 22, 24. So the answer should be 24. Yeah, the answer is 24. Okay. So I hope you get the example explanation. Now let's think how we can solve this problem. So the obvious brute force solution to generate all the possible k-length subsequences and take the minimum and maximum element of those subarrays. So the total number of subsequences of size less than k will be around 2 to the power n. Okay, this is not exactly 2 to the power n, but we can assume that it is 2 to the power n. But 2 to the power n solution is not accepted here. Okay, because n is 10 to the power 5. Now here you can check that the limit on k is 100. So n is 10 to the power 5 and k is 100. So with this kind of constant, we can see that order of k into 2 to kn is accepted. Okay, order of kn is accepted. Now how we are going to approach this problem? Okay, so what we can think is that let's try to solve this problem only for minimum. Okay, how we can solve this problem only for minimum or maximum? So let's try to solve this for minimum. So let's sort this array based on the values. Okay, so let's say our array is 3, 1, 2. We will sort this array to 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll check how one is subsequence of sorry, one is minimum element of how many subsequences. Okay, so we'll try to generate linked k subsequences. Okay, we'll try to generate all linked I subsequences or linked L subsequences from 0 to k. Okay, we'll try to generate all L length subsequences from 1 to k, not 0, 1 to k. Okay, so 1 is already taken. Okay, now from the remaining element we have to take L minus 1 number of elements from remaining uh, in this is the index I, let's say. So the number of remaining elements will be n minus I minus 1. Okay, on the right side. And from this n minus I minus 1 elements, we have to take how many elements? L minus 1 elements, because L is already taken. One element of 1 is already taken. I hope you get it. And this will be the minimum of the subsequence, because we are sorting the array in increasing order, and we are taking the leftmost element as the minimum element. I hope you get it. So from n minus I minus 1, C L minus 1. Okay, and we have to take the sum for every L from 1 to k. Now we are getting this for minimum, and for maximum similarly we can sort this array in descending order 3 to 1 and use the same approach to find the sum of maximum, and we can find this minimum and maximum sum separately and add them to generate the answer. Now let's look at the code. Okay, so for generating ncr for generating ncr, you can copy my code. This will find ncr in order of n. Okay, so what is the formula of ncr? The formula of ncr is nothing but factorial n by factorial r into factorial n minus r. So we'll generate all the values of factorial I. Okay, we'll generate all the value of factorial I, and so we can say that 1 by something, let's say 1 by a mod something, 1 by a modulo something is nothing but a to the power m minus 2 modulo mod. Okay, a to the power m minus 2 modulo mod. Okay, now that's why we are generating fai. Inverse I is nothing but 1 by a factorial of pi. Okay, so our ncr value of n comma r will be nothing but factorial n divided by factorial r into factorial n minus r. So we can take their inverse. Okay, I hope you get it how we are getting ncr. Okay, now after generating ncr, what will we do? We'll sort the array in increasing order. Now what I have told you is that for minimum you can sort in increasing order, and for maximum you can sort in descending order. Instead of that, while you are trying to generate minimum from left side, you can try to generate maximum from the right side. That's what I am doing here. So for nums I is the minimum value, and nums I n minus I, we are trying to generate maximum subsequences from in nums of n minus I minus 1. So we are iterating for left side for minimum and from right side for maximum. Okay, and this formula I have already explained. Here j is nothing but l, so we have to take l minus the remaining elements are n minus I minus n, and we have to take l minus 1 elements. Okay, uh, I hope you get it. Mm. If you have any doubt in any part of the code or explanation, you can always ask in the comment section. I'll provide the link of the code in the description box. uh, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also share among your peers. Thank you.